It looked cheaper and it looks smaller. The head looks smaller.
You think the head is smaller?
Yeah, it definitely is smaller.
You think Bianca got a big head?
I think she got a more of a human head.
Oh. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Sensational Locks, and I'm back with another real quick video. Y'all remember, do y'all remember her from my mannequin quarantine video? And by the way, like, I'm still in quarantine, actually. But y'all remember her back from like in March, April. By the way, thank y'all for helping me name her. I did go ahead and go with Bianca. And don't come for her with her different hairstyles she could not chew. And, you know, it is her right to look this fly. Anyway. A company reached out. They asked me if I would review their mannequin head. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unbox it, take a look at it, compare it. They also sent a stand. This is what this is. But we'll get to the stand later. When my husband bought me Bianca, she came with a stand and it was kind of whack. So I figured that this one is whack. But I'll show y'all the stand that he bought for me separately as well in this video. Okay, so open it up. Okay. Told y'all like gifts. Ooh, this is the what is it, like the table clamp? If you were to clamp this to like a countertop or something to hold it in place, that's what this is. Okay, and first off, I did not get to choose color preference in this. I'll be honest, obviously I would have chose somebody closer to Bianca or, you know, me. But it's whatever because this was free. The company's name is Dansee, but they're on Amazon. So you will find them on Amazon. First off, the hair is really long, but also it's not human hair. And Bianca over here. Bianca is human hair. So basically, I think I'm just going to compare these two mannequins. Not necessarily their hair texture, obviously, but more so what you're looking for with a mannequin. So like when you're practicing style, so you want to see a scalp. You want to be able to part her every which way, honey. You want a good hair, you know, hair count, density, whoop, whoop. And so we just about to get into that. Again, this is Bianca, and so I'm gonna need a name for her too, so make sure y'all drop something off in the comments. I appreciate how y'all came for Bianca. You know, y'all gave me actually some really good names. I could transfer them over, but I'd like to hear it because maybe they're not transferable, you know what I mean? Like, again, it's a few things that you're looking for. Actually, maybe I should try out their little thing because everybody's equipment ain't the same. And I think this one retails, I think it was like $32 for the mannequin head and the stand and all the little goodies that they threw in or whatever. And I think that Bianca was, how much was Bianca? $30 or so?
Yeah.
Bianca was $30. But that's the same thing because she came with a stand, didn't she?
Yeah. But
Bianca's human hair. I'm not the best at putting stuff together, but I figure it out. Oh, but that's not it. But that's not it. Like, you're just supposed to thread it down, supposed to. There we go. Little user error. Wait, is that it? Maybe this is the attachment to the stand, and it doesn't come with clampy. You know what I'm talking about, y'all? It don't come with the clamp for the table countertop situation. Oh, this is tight because it don't have nothing to clamp it to. That ain't gonna work. Okay. So you gotta use it with they stand. Fine. We'll get to that. Popping back in. I'm gonna do this real quick because my husband wanna play his game or whatever. And look, it do have a clamp for the countertop. This little Allen wrench. I thought it was a tool to help me put things together, but it fits in here perfectly. The hair is thick, but it's clearly tangly. It's long also, which could be a nice little advantage for somebody starting out who obviously, like, it's a mannequin, right? So the goal is to practice on it, and so it is hair attached to something that you can practice on. So that's definitely one of the advantages of buying a mannequin. It's not shedding, not yet at all. We'll brush through her because, you know, people's hair tangles, right? Ooh, hair tangles. Okay, I'm gonna part it. I want to know your reaction.
whose reaction? Theirs?
Yours.
Why my reaction?
Cause you right here.
This ain't got shit to do with me. This is between y'all and them.
You bought the other one. Why didn't
so that you
buy
can practice
this one?
braiding. It's a terrible part.
Because my job, because what I did.
I don't know if it's because of you or the mannequin. It's terrible.
No, it's not stitched in a way where you're gonna get a nice part.
The head is definitely smaller, and it's cheaper. Not as much follicles. It doesn't look as real. That's a child's play toy. It's a child's play toy versus a professional practice tool. There's a difference.
I guess we can open up the stand now.
Action!
Okay, so I'm just about to put the stand together, but as I was taking it out, I noticed that it came in this cute little bag. What? Why would you do that?
Because you messed up the word.
What word?
Because I was about to do that. I'll play it back.
To show y'all the stand, but like as I was pulling it out, I noticed that it came in this cute little bag. And so I wanted to show y'all that. Yeah, let's put the stand together. Okay, so I'm just showing y'all the stand. With looking at the stand, it seems like it would be like just fine if you needed something to just be standing there, like a ring light or something like that. But most people, when they're using a mannequin head, the stand is there to help them, you know, like with the height of the person, you know what I'm saying? So you need the stand to be stable, or at least have some weight to where if you get a tangle in the hair or a snag, or as soon as you start braiding, it doesn't just start lifting up all the way. Because as soon as you hit that tangle, and with this hair on this mannequin head, as soon as I hit that tangle, it's like jumping and moving around, all around. And so this is sort of like the stand that came with Bianca. And I was complaining about it because I was like, what am I supposed to do with this? My husband went on Amazon again and he bought me another stand. And as you can see just by looking at the two, if you just look at the difference in size of the two, you can obviously see that the one that we purchased separately, that Bianca is standing on, is much more sturdy. And the one that comes for free along with the Dansee and probably any mannequin head that you're going to find on Amazon is real flimsy. And so if you are actually trying to do something, you need some stability, you need something. So I'm going to remove Bianca from her home. Yes, girl. Sharing is caring. We're gonna see what, again, y'all, I need a name for her. So drop me a name in the comments. I don't know what I'm calling her yet. Already see, like, that's already so much better. Like, if y'all, I don't think y'all, can you hear that? Can you see that? It's the same movement, don't. There we go. Now I got it to lift up. It's all up in her head. Back. Oh. Appreciate Dansee for sending me their mannequin head stand and all of those little goodies that came with it. I'm gonna put it to use, but it's not something that I would purchase myself for with my own money for any reason, because if you're going to do something, you might as well invest in it. And investing $30 more for a little bit more quality, which really, again, the mannequin head, if you don't get the stand, if you get Bianca here by herself, she gonna come with a stand just like the Dansee one. I don't even know what brand Bianca. Oh, hair link hair. I'll link the video about Bianca if you're interested in getting one of her. If you're going to do something, you might as well start out with quality. So Bianca is quality for just a little bit more, and you don't even have to invest in the stand. So it really isn't. It's up to you. But I still want to name her. So make sure y'all drop some name. Don't let this discourage anybody who wants to send something to, the Sensational Locks team. We're honest over here. So if you want an honest review, that could definitely help you. But, just make sure your product is, exactly what you said it is. Because the box for the stand say is easy to carry. That's true. It's sound strong and durable. I don't agree. And then also the scalp. It's really the scalp for me. It's a scalp in the tangly hair. Like, what's up, girl? What we gonna call her? Y'all let me know in the comments. You gonna name her Beatrice? Beatrice. She don't look like a Beatrice. She kind of look like a Becky. We have a Becky and Bianca.
No, Beatrice.
If y'all made it to this point in the video and y'all know why he said Bianca and Beatrice. Wait, what's her name? If y'all know what that is, comment below and let us know what that is. And we gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.